Ever found yourself staring at your Westpac card, a tiny logo in the corner sparking a moment of wait? Is this a Visa or a Mastercard? You're definitely not alone. It's a common question, and understanding the difference, even if subtle, can actually be quite useful. Think of Westpac as the issuer. They're the ones who provide you with the card and all its associated benefits. Now, Visa and Mastercard? They're the payment networks. These global giants provide the infrastructure that allows your card to be accepted by millions of merchants worldwide, both online and in physical stores. They handle the complex process of transferring funds between your account and the merchant's account. So, the short answer to our initial question is, Westpac issues both Visa and Mastercard credit and debit cards. You won't find a single Westpac card that is both at the same time. Instead, when you apply for a Westpac card, you'll typically be choosing between a Westpac Visa card or a Westpac Mastercard. Now, you might be wondering, does it really matter which one you have? In most everyday situations, the answer is no, not really. Both Visa and Mastercard are incredibly widely accepted. You'll be hard-pressed to find a major retailer or online platform that accepts one but not the other. However, there can be some subtle differences and benefits associated with each network. These often come down to the specific perks and rewards programs offered by Westpac in conjunction with either Visa or Mastercard. For instance, one Westpac Visa card might offer exclusive discounts on travel insurance or car rentals through Visa's network. Another Westpac Mastercard might provide access to a different set of benefits, like extended warranty on purchases or special offers with Mastercard partners. These network-specific benefits can change over time, so it's always a good idea to check the specific terms and conditions of your Westpac card to see what perks are currently available to you. You can usually find this information on Westpac's website or through their mobile banking app. Beyond the potential for extra perks, the fundamental functionality remains the same. Whether you have a Westpac Visa or a Westpac Mastercard, you can use it for purchases, online transactions, and withdrawing cash from ATMs where Visa or Mastercard are accepted, respectively. The security features are also generally comparable, with both networks employing robust measures to protect your transactions. So, the next time you glance at your Westpac card, take a look at that small logo. It will clearly indicate whether you're part of the Visa or Mastercard network. And while the core functionality is the same, remember that there might be some unique advantages tied to each network that could be beneficial to you. It pays to be informed. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.